You love it how I move you. You love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this inspired fall look using the Violet Voss Nicole Concealio palette. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I got this look. Okay guys, let's dive right into this look. I'm gonna pick up my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. This is definitely something I always use to prime my eyes. Do you guys like my shirt? Wait, let me blend this out before I talk. Look at my shirt. There's a little pizza on it. I love pizza. And it says Loves Pizza on the back. This top was featured in my Designer Fit for Less haul. So if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below. I never braid my hair. It's just so hot. I'm literally sweating. There's no air conditioning. For those of you who don't know, my house is under construction. It's like 100 degrees and there's no air conditioning. So for today's look, I'm gonna pick up my Nicole Concealio palette. Ooh, it is so pretty on camera. Look at that. This is Violet Voss collaboration with Nicole Concealio. I love Nicole. Like, this is literally so weird, but do you guys watch videos and you're like, damn, I'd be such good friends with her. If we knew each other in real life, like, we'd be besties. I swear, I'm like that with Nicole Concealio. I'm gonna go into Daisy. And I love that there's names on the front. Oh my God, I cannot stress how difficult it is when there's names on the back. I just don't like it, you know, I just don't. Nicole's a Saggy and I'm a Gemini. And I love Sagittarius. You ever watch people and you're like, damn, I really like this person. Like, let me go look up their birthday. And then you look at their sign and you're like, see, I knew it. Or whenever you don't like someone, I'm like, shit, I wonder what their sign is. And then you go look and you're like, this makes sense. This makes so much sense. I don't know, man. For those of you who don't believe in like zodiac signs and Chinese calendars, stuff like that, but I do. Like, it's so spot on. I can't. And then I'm gonna go into bruh right there. Blend that into the crease. We are transitioning into fall and I'm so excited, you guys. I love fall. Like, I love fall as much as I love summer, I think. I love the cold. Like, I would literally chill in 40-degree weather and sit by the fireplace and drink hot cocoa. Like, that's the life. I hate heat. Like, I hate it. It's too much for me. You either have to be in the water all day long or you have to be in air conditioning and it's like not fun. But with fall, I feel like you can wear so many cute outfits like cardigans and scarves and like stuff like that. In summer, you literally don't wear anything. Like, it's cute or whatever, but like you don't really wear clothes, you know? But yeah, anywho, I love this palette. I've tried it out a couple of times and it's really good. The people that I swear, if I like knew them in person, we'd be besties. Definitely Nicole Concealio. I love Jeffree. I love Bretman. And then Nicole Guerrero, my OG. Now I'm gonna go into pizza. Very relatable, like with this whole shirt. I'm gonna blend that right in the crease. Now I'm gonna go into the blow. Ugh, I hate pronouncing names wrong, but like this one right here, I'm gonna go into that one. Using the same brush, just warm that up a little bit. Have you guys ever met like OG YouTubers or like celebrities or whatever? Another person I love is Shane Dawson. Like, he is so funny, you guys. I've met Shane Dawson before, like a long time ago. I was in high school, but here's a little story time. So I was in high school. I was a freshman, I believe. I was walking with my cousin and we're walking, and I'm like,
girl, it's Shane Dawson.
He was walking towards us and we were supposed to cross the street and I'm like, I am not crossing the street. I'm gonna go follow him and take a picture because I love him. Like, I used to watch him since middle school. Like, I'm talking a very, very long time ago, like almost 10 years. So I'm walking and he's going to Coffee Bean and he opens the door for me and I'm just staring at him like,
oh my God, hi.
And he goes, you know who I am? And I go,
Yes, you're Shane Dawson.
he's like, oh my God, hi. And like we hugged. It was so sweet. And we took a picture on my iPod. Like, this was so long ago. He was so sweet. And then there were a couple other people drinking coffee that saw him and like were talking to him and taking pictures. I would love to like meet him and like be friends with him. He's such a sweetheart. Like, I love him. He's hilarious. Anywho, back to the makeup. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go into my M441 and we are going to go into Hey Girl. I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner, deepen that up, and then we could blend it into the crease. I'm gonna just warm it up real nice. My God, I'm sweating like a damn dog. Once my house is done, I'm gonna do a room tour because I designed everything, like literally everything. I should have my own show. Like, I'm not even joking, you guys. I'm gonna go into M443 and I'm going to go into Chocolate. I'm gonna just pop this, like smudge it on the outer corner into the lid and just focus on the eye, end of the eye. Just blend that out real quick. Now I'm gonna pick up a flat shadow brush and I'm gonna go into Nicole. It's a nice like burgundy-ish, not burgundy, but like a mix of red and orange with sparkles. Just gonna add that to the lid. If you do cover up that brown, you could just go ahead and add some afterwards. I'm probably gonna end up doing that, so don't worry, girl. I'm gonna see if I spray with Fix Plus, if it'll make a difference. So if you guys have Fix Plus or a setting spray or something, go ahead and spray it and then apply, because it will come out more sparkly. And I'm gonna go back into Chocolate and just add some, because we lost a little bit when we added Nicole. I'm gonna go into my E27 and just blend that out. I'm gonna add some mascara, pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I forgot to mention that I'm going to also finish my face off camera, because just, you know, takes a lot of time. If you want to know how I do my face, I have a full face routine down there on how I do just my face. I'm loving how this is looking, like super smoky fall. Let's go ahead and finish it up. I'm gonna go back into Violet Voss. Let's see here. I kind of want like a sunset effect on the under eye, so I'm gonna pick up a pencil brush. I'm gonna go into Pizza. I'm gonna just pop that underneath. I'm gonna go in Mars and Blau or Blue or Blow or whatever. I'm gonna get just a touch of both. And I'm just going to add that as close to the lash line as possible. Now I'm gonna pick up a angled brush. I'm gonna mix Hey Girl and Chocolate together and just get super close to the lash line. Smoke it out. Connect the makeup we did on top. There you go. I'm gonna spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus and pick up my Amrezy Anastasia highlighter and just pop some in the inner corner. This is a must. I'm gonna add some liner into my tight line and waterline. I'm gonna add some mascara to the bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, do my usual highlighter applying process. You'll see. Spray the face first, put it down. Quickly, find your brush. Oh, that did not taste good. Pick up your highlighter and add some while it is moist. Ooh, pretty. What lippy do we want today? Okay, while I think about what I'm gonna put on my lips, I'm gonna go in with a nude pencil. This is Boldly Bare by MAC. I think I'm just gonna go into the classic NYX Lip Cream Abu Dhabi. Can't go wrong with this one. And that is it for today's fall video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be posting new videos every Monday. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe again. Just saying. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Am I like losing it, or does that literally smell like chocolate? This is like super laid back. Like if you want to go see your boo and like chill at home and watch a movie but still look cute, braid your hair, put a pizza shirt on, and like a full face of glam, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.